luxury performance sedan. Take a look at it, unique, especially in classics. 2006 Cadillac CTS-V. 59,183 original miles. It's showing on it right now. Arizona vehicle for most of those miles. Now, underneath the hood, this has a built 408 stroker motor with Cali's Dragon Slayer crank, Compstar rods and pistons, and a BTR Stage 3 cam. Dyno sheets on it, 510 horse with 489 pound-feet of torque. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. As you can see, you have that splitter added down on the bottom. A little different logo in the front and the mesh grille. Silver on silver. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Other things done underneath the hood: AFR 215 heads, Innovator's West 8-rib full pulley system. And we're going to pop the hood, start it up, let you hear it run. There's actually receipts in a folder for over 13,600 in engine build receipts. Has a Maggie MP 122 supercharger with a smaller pulley, running about 7 pounds of boost. Kooks 1 7/8 headers with full Kooks exhaust and X pipe. Also a Hurst shifter. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I do have the windows rolled down just so we can take a peek at the interior, and we're going to get around to the driver's side, open it up, let you take a little closer look at it. Of course, it's kind of leather with the suede inserts. Buckets up front, center console. This one does have the power sunroof or moonroof. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see windows are tinted pretty dark. Know your local and state laws on percentage of window tint. There you can see the dual exhaust coming out the rear. Another custom V badge back here. Once again, still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, engine bay, interior. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and you can see paint shows well on this one. This one will definitely turn some heads, the way it looks, and when we fire this up, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Nice sounding vehicle. All right. Of course, you have your modern amenities that you're going to have on a Cadillac CTS-V, as far as all your standard power options from windows, locks, tilt, cruise, AC, power steering, power brakes, power seats. And you'll be able to see in the still pictures the carpeting underneath the floor mats. They'll be pictured both ways. A little closer look, I notice there is a little hole in the seat right there, kind of where that suede insert is. But otherwise, looks like it's pretty much free of any rips or tears. Headliner, that power sunroof. All right, Hurst shifter, as you can see in the center there. All right, and also some aftermarket gauges, A-pillar. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We're also going to check out the exact miles for you here. You can see past it there. You go 59183, so 59,183. Of course, steering wheel controls. Extremely healthy sounding car, no doubt about that. There's those A-pillar gauges. Looks like we have fuel pressure, boost, and a wide band. I'm guessing that's like air fuel ratio possibly. Oil pressure gauge down here also is clicked on, and you can change through those in the information center. You'd have your nav and audio. sounding car. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, underside of the hood. And again, a built 408 stroker. Power steering, power brakes, AC, those AFR 215 heads. 8-rib full pulley system. Dyno sheets with it putting down 510 horsepower, 489 pound-feet of torque. Looks good, sounds good. Over $13,600 in receipts in the build of that engine. A little over 59,000 original miles. 2006 Cadillac CTS-V. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.